Hi everyone, this is the oral presentation of the paper, Deep Transfer Learning for Plant-Centered Localization. We acknowledge our sponsor ARPA-E and Professor Habib. First, let me talk about some intuition of this paper. Plant centers provide the stand count trace which related to the emergence of crops compared to the number of seeds that were planted. The location is also important for evaluating complex characteristics of individual plants using other registered datasets. In this paper, we are using UAV images for plant center estimation. We have used deep learning methods for plant center detection. The challenge is that applying a deep learning architecture fine-tuned on a single field or single type of props in another scenario may not provide acceptable results for plant-centered localization. Generating a ground truth dataset for each new field is labor-intensive and tedious. So our purpose is to use less data to train a well-performed deep learning network. We use the plant center detection method from this paper. The method uses a modified UNet to output a map of plant center clusters and the number of plants. Also, thresholding and Gaussian mixture model are used on the plant center clusters to estimate the plant centers. In our proposed methods, we use transfer learning for plant center detection with limited training data. First, we train the source network from scratch with larger datasets. Then we copy the encoder weight of the source network to the target network and slightly train the target network on limited datasets. The first experiment we did is to compare transfer learning to training from scratch. The source network we used is trained on 50,000 images from scratch with UAV sorghum images. After copying the weights from the source to the target network, we trained the target network with 2,000 UAV maize images. The result shows the transfer learning achieved better performance compared to training from scratch and directly applying the source network to the new data. We also compared the performance between two pre-trained source networks on different datasets because the pre-trained dataset might affect on the transfer learning results. The training and testing data are the same as the first experiment. The result shows the source network pre-trained with plant images did better. The possible reason is because the distribution of the image in ImageNet are too different from the plant UAV images in our application. We evaluate the effect of the size of training datasets for retraining target network. For training data, we use 500 images as beginning and all the way to 5,000 images. The testing data is the same as previous experiments. The training time linearly increases with the data size, and the result shows the dataset with 2,000 images achieved the balance between accuracy and training time. Future work includes evaluating more network structures and testing with more data. That's all about this presentation. Thank you.